Yes. All right. Good evening, everybody. And today we are going to work on the next prepositions. Next prepositions. I think yesterday we talked about across. All right.
Yes.
Okay. And today we are going to work on the next preposition. Okay. Next.
Yes, so we had.
Next preposition is after. Next preposition is
Sir,
after.
is it available?
Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Aman.
is it available in study material?
No. These charts are not available in study material. These charts are available in video sections, but they are you need to pay for it. You can talk to Bhushan sir. You can talk to Bhushan sir. So I suggest you to take the screenshot of it. So take the screenshot of it. Understand? So whenever you want to study it, you can study it. All right. So now we are going to work on after. After. This is a very important, very important preposition. After is used in later in time. Later in time, like after 10 o'clock or after lunch. After 10 o'clock, it after lunch. म्हणजे चा नंतर. We use after to talk about चा नंतर. All right. After dinner. Okay, Ganesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, answer me. Is your lecture after dinner?
Yes, yes. My lecture is after dinner.
Okay. Is your exam after 5 o'clock?
Yes, my exam is after 5 o'clock.
Is your job after Sunday?
No, my job not after Sunday.
My job is not. Is your job
not.
after Sunday?
No, my job is not after Sunday.
Okay. Is your result after the exam?
Yes, my result is after the exam.
Is there a celebration party after birthday party?
Yes, yes. Is Kai sir?
Is there a celebration? Is there a celebration after birthday birthday party?
Yes, I celebration after the birthday party.
Okay. Is there a party after celebration?
Yes, yes. I there party after celebration.
Okay. Answer me. Cool, Ganesh. Don't be in a hurry. Okay. Is the party after celebration?
Yes, yes. Either party is after.
Why not?
the
Yes,
celebration.
the party is after celebration.
Celebration is the party.
Is the party after celebration?
Yes, the party is after celebration.
Okay. Is there an interview? Is there an interview? Is the interview not there? No, there. Is the interview after declaration of the result?
Yes, yes. The interview is after declaration of the result.
Is the lunch after shooting?
Yes, yes. The lunch is after the shooting.
Is the question answer round? Is the question answer round after the lecture?
Yeah, yes. The question answer is round after the lecture.
Round is.
Round
Yes,
is
the
after
question
the
answer
lecture.
round is after the lecture.
After the lecture.
Okay. Is there a dinner? Is the dinner after the program?
Yes, yes. The dinner is after the program.
Very good, very good. Sunita, answer me. Sunita.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When is the study time? First answer after dinner. One by one you are answering me. When is the study time?
After dinner.
Study time is after dinner. Okay. When is the study time?
Study time is after dinner.
Okay. When is the movie?
Movie is
When
the.
is the movie? When is the movie?
Movie is the after dinner.
After 5 o'clock. Second answer now.
Okay.
Second answer, third answer. In this way, you are answering in series. Okay. Now, third answer. Answer is after Sunday. Okay. When is your birthday? My birthday is after Sunday. When is your birthday?
My birthday is after Sunday.
When is the result?
My result is after exam.
Okay. When is the celebration?
My celebration is after Monday.
Birthday party. It is written there after birthday party.
Okay.
When is the cleaning program?
My cleaning program is after celebration.
Okay. When is your interview?
My interview is after declaration of the result.
Very good. Okay. When is the release of the movie?
Movie is releasing after
The
shooting.
release of the movie is after shooting. When is the release of the movie?
Release is the movie after shooting.
Okay. When is your question answer round?
Question answer round after the lecture.
Is you are missing is. When is the question answer
answer
session?
round is after the lecture.
Okay. When is the discussion?
Discussion is after the program.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay. Vinayak. Okay.
After the program.
When will you go in the office?
I will go in the office after token number 5.
Got it, everybody? I will go in the office after token number 5. Okay. When will you travel?
I will travel after that bus.
Okay. Where will you stay?
I will stay after room number 3.
Okay. When will you buy? Okay. When will you buy the mobile?
I buy the mobile after
will.
serial number 10.
After serial number 10. Okay. When will you play?
I will playing after this match.
Why playing? I will play. When will you play? Simple question.
I will play after this match.
Okay. When will you play for the state?
I will play for the state after this tournament.
When will the doctor check? When will doctor check you?
The doctor check will after this
Doctor will
patient.
check me. The doctor will check me.
After the doctor will check me after this patient.
Okay. Okay. When is Kolhapur?
Kolhapur is after Pune.
Okay. Where is the good thought?
The good thought is after page number 9.
Okay. When is your lecture?
My lecture is after 5th batch.
Got it? My lecture is after 5th batch. In this way. Nachiket, you are answering me. Nachiket.
Okay.
Okay. When will you go in the office?
I will go in the office after token number 5.
Okay. When will your bus come?
My bus will come after that bus.
Okay. Where is your room?
My room is after room number 3.
Okay. When will you buy the grocery?
I will buy the grocery after serial number 10.
Okay. When will India's match start?
The India's match will start after this match.
When will you play for the state?
I will play for the state after this tournament.
Okay. When will you check that patient?
I will check that patient after this patient.
Where will you get down?
I will get down after Pune.
Okay. Where will you write your message?
I will write my message after page number 9.
Okay, when will you take science batch?
I will take science batch after fifth batch.
Got it? Very good. In this way, we talked about after. Now, after it means कोणाच्या पाठीमागे धावणे in pursuit of. The dog ran after the cat. It means कुत्ता कैट के बिल्ली के पीछे भागा. तो किसी के पीछे भागना, उसके लिए भी हम क्या यूज करते हैं? आफ्टर यूज करते हैं. ओके, युवराज जी आंसर मी. युवराज जी. ओके, आर यू रनिंग आफ्टर द डॉग?
The
आंसर इन नो. आंसर इन नो. नो मध्ये जवाब देना है आपको. नो, आई एम नॉट रनिंग आफ्टर द डॉग. ओके, आर
No.
यू रनिंग आफ्टर द डॉग?
no, I am running after the dog.
I am not running after the dog. Are you running after the dog?
No, I am not running after the dog.
Are you running after money?
No, no, I am money after. No,
Same. I am not running येणार सगळीकडे. Are you running after money?
no,
I am not running.
I am not running after money.
आम्हाला काही घाई नाहीये, तुम्हीच घाई करताय.
Oh,
Are you running after the thief?
no, I
I am not running.
I am not running after the thief.
Are you running after the happiness?
No, I am not after the happiness.
I am not running. बोला.
I am not running after the happiness.
Are you running after the car?
No, I am not running after the car.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, very good. आराधना जी,
यस सर.
समझ के जवाब देना है, समझ के. ओके, सुन के अच्छी तरह से जवाब देना है. थोड़ा सा अलग से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं मैं आपको.
ओके सर.
Is the cat or is the cow running after the dog?
The cow is running after the dog.
Very good. Are the doctors running after money?
The doctors are running after money.
Is the police inspector running after the thief?
The police inspector is running after the thief.
Okay, are Indians running after the happiness?
The Indian are running after the happiness.
Indians.
Okay, Indians are running after the happiness.
Okay, is the police jeep running after the car?
The police jeep is running after the
Car.
car.
Okay, very good, very good. Aman.
Yes, sir.
So I want everybody to listen carefully. Listen to the speaker carefully. Understand perfectly. Speak correctly. Speak confidently and speak fluently. Speak fluently. 5 steps. 5 steps to learn English. Listen to speaker correctly. Understand perfectly. Listen to speaker carefully. Understand perfectly, speak correctly, speak confidently, and speak fluently. All right, Aman Singh.
Yes, sir.
Is against. We are learning against. Against म्हणजे च्या विरुद्ध. Theft is against the law. मतलब चोरी करना लॉ के विरुद्ध है. चोरी करणे कायद्याच्या विरुद्ध आहे. So against म्हणजे विरुद्ध. All right. Aman Singh, answer me. Is the love marriage against the culture?
सर आपकी स्क्रीन ऐसे स्लैंटिंग में दिख रही है.
अभी दिख रही है?
नो सर, अभी भी वैसी ही दिख रही है.
नहीं, सबको तो अच्छी दिख रही है. आपके में प्रॉब्लम है मेरे ख्याल से.
Yes, sir.
Clearly,
Screen
yes.
is clear.
Everything is clear.
The screen is clear.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is love marriage against the culture?
No, the love marriage is not against the culture. Yes,
did that girl marry against her parents?
Yes, the girl marry against her parents.
Okay. Was Dhoni playing against his team, against Pakistan's team? Was Dhoni playing against Pakistan's team?
Yes, Dhoni was playing against Pakistan team.
Okay. Did you go to play cricket against your will म्हणजे इच्छा?
Yes,
Did you go to play cricket against your will?
Yes, I went to play cricket against my will.
Okay. Are you insulting that boy against the morality?
No, I am not insulting that boy against the morality.
Okay. Is insulting senior citizens against the religion?
Is insulting senior citizens against the religion? Oh, sorry, sir. Yes, no, insulting senior citizens against the religion
Okay.
is.
Okay. Did you resign the company against the decision of the company?
No, I did not resign against the decision of the company.
Did you join the company against the approval?
Yes, I joined the company against the approval.
Is the invention of atom bomb against science?
Yes, the invention of atom bomb is against science.
Did Mahatma Gandhi fight against the British government?
Yes, Mahatma Gandhi fought against British government.
Very good. Understand? Ronak, answer my questions.
Yes, sir.
Are you working against the culture? No.
Yeah.
Answer in no. Are you working against the culture?
No, I am not working against the culture.
Are you behaving against your parents? Are you behaving against your parents?
No, I am not behaving against his parents.
Are you playing against your friend's team?
Sir, repeat.
Are you playing cricket against your friend's team?
Yes, I am playing cricket against sir.
My friends
Against
team.
my friend's team.
Are you playing against your will?
Yes, I am playing against your will.
Everybody is answering. Sunita ji, Swati ji, Aradhna ji, everybody is answering. Rohit Nale, Vinayak. Okay. Are you behaving against morality?
No, I am not behaving against the morality.
Are you speaking against the religion?
No, I am not speaking against the religion.
Are you working against the decision of the company?
No, I am not working against the decision of the company.
Are you joining the company? Are you joining against the approval?
No, I am not joining against the approval.
Are you reading against science?
No, I am not reading against science.
Did you buy a book against the British? Did you read stories against the British government?
Yes, I am read against the British government.
Very good. Rohit, answer me. Now next is against. Against it means touching or supported by. मतलब सपोर्ट करून ठेवणे किंवा टच करून ठेवणे, दैट इज कॉल्ड अगेंस्ट. ओके, आराधना जी, टच करके रखना या सपोर्ट करके रखना, तब भी हम अगेंस्ट का यूज करते हैं. अगेंस्ट द वॉल. रोहित, आंसर मी. रोहित नाले. ओके, नचिकेत, आंसर मी.
Okay.
Okay. Did you keep the bicycle against the wall?
Yes, I kept the bicycle against the wall.
Okay. Did you keep the dictionary against the book?
Yes, I kept the dictionary against the book.
Did you keep the saucer against the cupboard?
Yes, I keep the saucer against the cupboard.
Did you take the education loan against the property?
No, no, I didn't take a loan against the property.
Did you take the loan against the gold?
Yes, I took the loan against the gold.
Okay. Did you buy did you buy the flat against the farmhouse?
Yes, I brought the for the house against the farmhouse.
Okay.
For the fat against the farmhouse.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Did you get the loan against the flat?
Yes, I got the loan against the flat.
Did you keep the bicycle against the fence?
I kept the bicycle against the fence.
Are you standing against the tree?
No. Yes,
I am standing.
Yes, I am standing against the tree.
Are you getting the loan against the salary?
Yes, I am getting the loan against the salary.
Very good. Good job. All right. Understood it?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Now we are going to work on the next chapter. That is so who is going to talk to me?
Sir, Aman.
Aman. Okay. Aman. So here is Maya and Aman. Okay. Maya will ask to Aman. Did you go to circus? Okay. Did you go to circus? Okay. Then yes, Sarla madam bola. Aman will answer.
सर उनका कनेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है.
Yes. Yes, I went to circus. Okay, what should be the answer? Next question. Aman.
Did you go to circus?
Correct. Very good. Did you go to circus? Now everybody knows the questions. Now I will ask, and now I will write only questions here. Okay. When
When did
Where?
you go to circus?
by how many? I will ask any questions you can. How
With
much?
whom?
How?
With whom?
With whom? In which? For whom? At what time?
What time?
Okay. What? Okay. Got it, everybody? What time? What kind of? Of what kind of? What kind of? In whose? Okay, fine. All right. Okay. Now, Aman, did you go to circus?
Yes, I go to circus.
Arey,
Yes,
did
I-
you?
Yes, I went to circus. Did you go to circus?
Yes, I went to circus.
When did you go to circus?
I went to circus yesterday. Faster now.
Where did you go to circus?
I went to circus in Shivaji Nagar.
Why did you go to circus?
I went to circus to watch the circus.
How many did you go to? How many?
With how many friends did you go to circus?
With how many friends did you go to circus?
I went to circus with 5 friends. For how much time?
For how much time did you go for the circus?
I went to circus for 3 hours.
How did you go to circus?
I went to circus by rickshaw. Any questions you can ask now?
At
What did you see?
time?
What did you
At
see?
what time did you go to circus?
I went to circus at 5 o'clock.
In which circus did you go?
I went to circus. I went to Jumbo Circus.
At what time did you go to circus?
See, if you pick up one verb, ask 2 or 3 questions regarding that verb, and then pick up next verb.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
In which circus do you went? Do you go?
Did you go?
Did you go?
I went in Jumbo Circus. When?
When
When did you go to Jumbo Circus?
when did you go to Jumbo Circus?
I went to Jumbo Circus on last Sunday.
How did you go to Jumbo Circus?
I went to Jumbo Circus by my car.
How many circuses do you watch?
I watched 3 circuses.
Very
Very good. Good job. Good job.
At
Good job.
what time do you return
Did
home?
you? That is the past
At what
question.
time did you return to home?
I returned home at 5 o'clock in the evening. Very good. Good job. Next. Who is going to ask me? I am Maya and you are Aman. I am Maya and you are Aman. Who is going to ask the questions? Okay, Vinayak. Say, I am Vinayak. Vinayak here. Vinayak here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Did you go to theater?
Yes, I went to theater. Did you went to theater? Did you go to theater?
Yes, I went to theater.
When you go, when did you go to theater?
I went to theater in the afternoon.
Where did you go to theater?
I went to theater in Shivaji Nagar.
With how many friends you did go to theater?
No. With how many friends did you go to theater?
Yes. With how many friends did you go to theater?
I went to theater with 10 friends.
And how did you go to a theater?
I went to theater by scooter.
In which movie? In which theater did you go to theater?
I went to Inox Theater.
And at what time you did go to theater?
Don't change the place of did. You are changing always the place of did.
At what time you did go to theater?
At what time did you?
At what time did you go to theater?
I went to theater at 5 o'clock.
Of what kind of movie did you
Watch. What kind
Did
of
you
movie
watch?
did you watch? I watched romantic movie. Okay, very good. Good. Next.
Can I, sir?
Yes, please. Nachiket here. Nachiket. Now.
Okay. Did you go to office?
Yes, I went to office.
Yes. When did you go to office?
I went to office in the morning.
And where did you go to office?
I went to office in Kothurud.
And how did you go to office?
I went to office by bus.
And with whom did you go to office?
I went to office with my friends.
And for whom did you go to office?
I went to office for my family.
And how many times did you go to office?
How much time did it take to go to office?
How much time did you take to go to office?
I took around 30 minutes to go to office.
And in which time
At what
did you
time?
go? At what time did you go to office?
I went to office at 10 o'clock.
And
Good job, Nachiket. Nice. Next.
Yes, sir. Aradhna,
Aradhna ji, हाँ.
did you go to market?
Yes, I went to market.
Okay. When did you go to market?
I went to market yesterday.
Where did you go to market?
I went to market. I went to. Okay, Sarla ji, Sarla madam.
हा सर. येस.
आता तुम्ही काय करा माहितीये काय 8:30 ची बॅच जॉईन करा. ती नवीन बॅच आहे. कारण
ओके.
ही फार पुढे गेलेली आहे. मग तुमची बॅच चालेल का? ही चालेल का बॅच?
काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. चालेल चालेल.
ओके, मग वेळेवर जॉईन करा 9:15 वाजता शार्प.
सर मी जेव्हा जॉईन करते तेव्हा तुम्ही मला जॉईनच होत नव्हते 4-5 दिवसापासून.
ऐका काय झालंय माहितीये काय, तुमचं नाव सरला शिंदे आहे आणि
अच्छा.
त्याच्यावरती सरला शिंदे म्हणून येतं ना,
हो हो हो.
आणि आपल्याकडे कोणी सरला शिंदे नाहीये.
अच्छा
आम्हाला मयुरी कुमावत माहित आहे, आम्हाला सरला शिंदे माहित नाही ना.
अच्छा अच्छा. सर मी कन्फर्म केलं होतं की नाही तिच्या ऐवजी मी करणार आहे तसं.
नाही, कन्फर्म केलं होतं पण तो नाव कन्फर्म नाही केलं होतं ना.
अच्छा अच्छा. ओके सॉरी सर त्याबद्दल मी.
इट्स ओके, आम्हाला पण वाईट वाटलं, परंतु तुम्ही थोडस आम्हाला सांगितलं पाहिजे होतं की सरला शिंदे या नावाने आम्ही जॉईन करतोय. ऑलराईट
अच्छा सर काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. चला ठीक आहे. उद्या 9:15 पासून मी स्टार्ट करते.
ओके
आणि जे आता रेग्युलरली चालू आहे ते पण चालेल मला, कारण या मागचं मला काही प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये तसा. मला फक्त स्पीकिंगचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे सर.
करूया आपण. तुम्ही आता 1-2 दिवस समजून घ्या. 1-2 दिवस समजून घ्या. सोमवारपासून तुम्हाला मी ऍक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये घेतो. ओके
अच्छा चालेल. मला फक्त स्पीकिंग महत्वाचं आहे सर. बाकी मला सर्व येत आहे. नाही काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
ओके फाईन. आराधना
बाय. गुड नाईट.
या असू दे, थांबा, अजून आहे क्लास 10 वाजेपर्यंत.
म्हणजे मी चालेल ना आता क्लासला जॉईन केलं तरी?
हा तुमचाच क्लास आहे.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक आहे. मला वाटलं उद्यापासून तुम्हाला मी जॉईन करायचंय पुन्हा रेग्युलर.
नाही, हा तुमचाच क्लास आहे.
सर थँक्यू.
ओके, हा आराधना जी बोला.
Where did you go to market?
I went to Mandai.
Okay, why did you go to market?
I went to market to buy the vegetables.
How many vegetables
Did you buy?
do you buy?
I bought a lot of vegetables.
How much did you go to market?
No, for how much time did you go to market?
How much time did you go to market?
I went to market for 2 times. How many times did you go to market? I went to market for 2 times.
Okay, with whom did you go to market?
I went to market with my daughters.
At what time did you go to market?
I went to market at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
Very good job. Next.
Sir, Ronak.
Yes, please. Start. Start your verb now.
Sir, मैं माया हूँ क्या?
तुम्ही स्वतःच वर्ब तयार करायचा आहे. तुम्ही स्वतःच बोलायचं माझ्याशी.
सर आप बोलेंगे सर पहले.
ओके चलो. Did you go to railway station? Start.
Yes, I went to railway station. Did you go to railway station?
Yes, I went to railway station.
When did you go to railway station?
I went to railway station in the morning.
Where did you go to railway station?
I went to railway station at Shivaji Nagar railway station.
Why did you go to railway station?
I went to railway station to go to Mumbai.
How many friends did you go to railway station?
With how many friends?
With how many friends did you go to railway station?
I went to railway station with 5 friends.
How did you go to railway station?
I went to railway station by bus.
With whom did you go to railway station?
I went to railway station with my friends.
At what time did you go to railway station?
I went to railway station at 5 o'clock. Okay, very good. Good job. Next.
Yuvraj,
Hi, Yuvraj, please.
did you go to trip?
Yes, I went to trip.
Did you go to trip? नंतर when did you go to trip?
I went to trip on last Sunday.
आणि where did you go to trip?
I went to trip to Mahabaleshwar.
आणि why did you go to trip?
I went to trip for fun.
आणि how many person did you go to trip?
I went to trip with four members of my family.
And how much time did you go to trip?
I went to trip for 2 days.
And what?
Okay, when did you return?
When did you return?
I returned in the morning. Very good. Good job. Next.
Thank you.
I think everybody is done, right? ओके. सरला मॅडम तुम्हाला विचारायचं का?
काय विचारणार सर मी? तुम्ही सांगा मला, मी विचारते.
नाही, इट्स ओके. समजलं ना आजचं तुम्हाला थोडस?
सर मी विचारते पुन्हा एकदा, तरी पण माझ्या पद्धतीने ट्राय होईल तसं. डिड यू गो टू रेल्वे स्टेशन?
येस, आय वेंट टू रेल्वे स्टेशन.
आय एम गो टू रेल्वे स्टेशन.
हा, आता विचारा वेन विचारा फक्त. वेन डिड यू गो टू रेल्वे स्टेशन विचारा.
सर वो बता सकते हैं कि मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लिया.
हा, वेन डिड यू गो टू रेल्वे स्टेशन विचारा.
वेन डिड यू रेल्वे स्टेशन?
नाही, त्याला फक्त वेन जोडा. वेन डिड यू गो टू रेल्वे स्टेशन बोला डिड यू गो टू रेल्वे स्टेशन.
यू गो टू रेल्वे स्टेशन.
आता त्याला जोडा वेन जोडा फक्त.
हा सर, वेन डिड यू गो टू रेल्वे स्टेशन?
वाय जोडा.
वाय डिड यू गो टू रेल्वे स्टेशन?
हाऊ जोडा.
हाऊ डिड यू गो टू रेल्वे स्टेशन?
विथ हुम जोडा.
विथ डिड यू गो टू रेल्वे स्टेशन?
विथ हुम जोडा.
विथ whom did you go to railway station?
ऍट व्हॉट टाइम जोडा.
At what time did you go to railway station?
इन विच रेल्वे स्टेशन जोडा.
In which did you go to railway station?
गॉट इट. असं वाक्य तयार करायचं. ओके.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. All right, done. Everybody, take the screenshot if you want. Get the screenshot of this.
Okay.
Sir, taken.
Taken? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir, taken.
All right, fine. All right. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you excited?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you have any questions?